In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use OBS Virtual Camera on Discord. If you create scenes in OBS with overlays, backgrounds, or screen captures, using the OBS Virtual Camera lets you send that polished output to Discord as if it were a regular webcam. It's a simple switch inside Discord, and once you make it, your calls and streams can look exactly like your OBS preview. Start by opening Discord and heading to the bottom left corner of the window. You'll see a small gear icon next to your profile area. Click that gear to open user settings. This is where all of your personal Discord preferences live, including audio and video options. Inside user settings, look for the section labeled Voice and Video. Select it and then scroll if needed until you reach the camera area. This panel controls which camera source Discord uses whenever you turn your video on during a call or a server stream. In the camera dropdown, choose OBS Virtual Camera. The moment you pick it, Discord will switch from your physical webcam to the output that OBS creates. You may notice a small preview box update to reflect the change, giving you a quick confirmation of what your audience will see. From now on, whenever you enable video inside a call or go live in a server, Discord will use the OBS virtual feed, including your scenes, overlays, and any visual filters you've built in OBS. That's the entire setup inside Discord. With this one change, your OBS visual layout becomes your camera source. Keep in mind that this switch only affects video. Your microphone and audio routing are separate in Discord and in OBS, so choose your mic in Discord's input settings the way you normally would. Also, anything visible in your OBS scene is exactly what others will see in Discord, so it's a good habit to double-check your layout and sources before going on camera. If you don't see the OBS Virtual Camera option in the dropdown, it simply means Discord isn't detecting it at the moment. The availability of that option depends on your system and software environment, and once it's recognized, it will appear right in that same list. To recap, open Discord, click the gear at the bottom left, go to Voice and Video, head to the Camera section, and select OBS Virtual Camera. That's all you need to route your OBS visuals straight into Discord. Enjoy sharing your polished scenes with your friends, community, or team.